we doing today?
We're opening up my next present.
It's a mystery box, right? You don't know what's inside? What do you think your guess is? How about you shake it? What does it sound like?
It sounds like a puzzle.
It sounds like a puzzle.
Alright everybody, let's see what's inside. I see something. Huh? I see a ball. But, oh, this is a puzzle.
Do you know what it says?
I don't know.
What character is that?
A cat?
It's Pete the cat, right?
Yeah.
You read one of his books before?
Yeah.
It says, Pete the cat, the missing cupcakes.
Oh, this is the game.
Mm-hmm.
Let's reveal to see what's inside.
Tell us what you see.
I see a board. Oh, cupcake.
There's
We're
cupcakes.
both about the spinning wheel. Whoa, this is so big.
Whoa.
Oh
So
my
it
God.
says, Pete the cat cupcake party. Alright guys, so the goal is to get all the cupcakes from here onto the tray for the party, right?
Yeah.
And you're gonna be squirrel. You're gonna start on one edge of the board, and I'm gonna start as alligator on this side, and then we're gonna go clockwise, like this way. And depending on what we land on, we're gonna do that activity for that. Alright, so how about you go first since you're the youngest player?
Okay.
Go ahead and spin the wheel.
I see four.
Four.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What does the frog say to do? Okay, so Grumpy Toad spot. Grumpy Toad decides he is still hungry, and if there is a cupcake on Pete the cat's table, he takes one off the table and he puts it back into here. So we don't have any, so you're good. All right, my turn. 1. Present! All right, so we're gonna see what this is. You can't see it, but I'm gonna do charades and you're gonna try and figure out what it is, okay? So we're just gonna put this on this side. Yes. Yes, it is. Alright, so now we have one cupcake for our little puppy. Alright, your turn to spin.
Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright,
Present.
now you get to pick up a card. You have to act it out, okay? You can't tell me what it is. And go ahead and act it out so I know.
It starts with a ruff, ruff.
Dog.
Yes, you got it right.
Yay! We have 2 cupcakes in our party now. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another present card! Oh, you know what? Actually, we did that wrong because we both guessed it. We're supposed to get 2 cupcakes. So we're just gonna put 2 more. Okay? Alright, so now I get another one, another present card. And you gotta guess this one, okay? Alright, I'll show the camera. I can't show you, okay? Do your best guess.
A rockin' controller.
No, what is it?
A rockin' guitar.
Yes, it's a guitar. Now we get 2, because we got it right.
We're almost
We're almost there.
1.
What is that? It's a musical note spot. So it says you have to sing a verse from a song. It could be any song.
Alright. My pledge allegiance to the flag.
song.
United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. God bless America.
We'll count that one. We'll count that one.
Okay.
Which cupcake would you like to put over there?
The balloon.
Okay. You put it there?
Yeah.
Alright. My turn.
2.
1, 2. Alright, so ABCs tells us that I have to think of a letter and name something that starts with that letter. P for pony.
No H for pony.
H for horse.
Oh.
Alright, so we finished that activity, so I get 1.
This is 4. 3. 4.
It was a 3.
Oopsie. Resin.
Alright, so don't show me. You can show the camera, but don't show me.
It starts with a meow. Meow.
Cat?
Yeah, you got it right.
Okay, here, put it over here. Can I see the cat? Oh, I think it's Pete the cat. Whoa. Alright,
He's like waving so crazy.
alright. 2. 1, 2. Alright, another present card. I wonder what this one's gonna be, guys. Okay. Close enough.
Just shoe.
It's just shoe. Did we put a cupcake afterwards? What activity did you do? You did Pete the Cat. Oh, did you put a cupcake? You didn't, right? I did. You one cupcake. Okay. All right, your turn.
4.
Present card.
I got a present. I want to look up my present card. And you're supposed to climb on it.
Rope. A ladder?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, so you get 2 cupcakes, and it looks like we're almost done the game. 2, 1, 2. So let's sing a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you. This is the final cupcake.
We won!
Did you like the game?
Now sing happy birthday to you.
Oh, we have to sing happy birthday to Pete the Cat now, right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pete the Cat. Happy birthday to you. Yay! So that was the game, and the title of the game is, again, Pete the Cat, the Missing Cupcakes game. There's a book to this, and I think they started making the game after the book. So what do you think about the game? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up. Emily, what would you like to say to the people viewing our video?
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye. Bye.